Welcome back. Look at this integral. We have integral of sine inverse x the whole square. Integral sine inverse of x whole square into dx. Okay. Now, what we can do is we can consider 1 is there, 1 into sine inverse x the whole square into dx. In that scenario, what we can do is we can apply integration by parts by Euler formula, and this will be the what? First function and so on. Now what we can do is I will apply tabular methods, okay, DI methods. Let's see, that will be somehow easier, I think. Let's see. This can be considered as I can consider 1 is there, okay. Here I can consider 1 into anything is that 1 into this thing is 1 into sine inverse x the whole square is sine inverse x all the sine inverse x the whole square itself, no change, okay. Now let's consider I will solve by what? DI method, okay. DI. Here, or you can say tabular methods. Now integration of, if I keep this sine inverse x the whole square in integration part, then it's a problematic again, okay. Therefore, I will consider 1 over here, okay. I will consider 1 over here because integration of 1 is looks very easy. But differentiation of this looks somehow easy, okay. So therefore I will write sine inverse of x the whole square in differentiation part, okay. Let's see. Now integration of this, integration of 1 is what? We have integration of 1 dx is we are getting x. It's very simple as that, plus some constant. Now differentiation of this is, be careful here, something raised to n, okay. E same as 2 will come sine of inverse x, here 2 minus 1 is 1, okay. Here 2 minus 1 is 1 upon, okay. Here into, okay. Here this is differentiation into dy dx of sine inverse x. Dy dx of sine inverse is what? 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square, okay. Dy dx of sine inverse is here square root of 1 minus x square, okay. Now this we have, what we have is with sine we have plus, minus and so on. Now here this into this, let's multiply, and then what we have to do is integral of this into this, okay. Let's see how it works. Therefore this integral become, okay, now this into this means I will write x first, x into sine of inverse x the whole square minus integration of this, okay. Here minus integral of this 2 is there, so I am sending out here x, okay. Here sine inverse, what are the terms which are in numerator, okay. Numerator what we have? Sine inverse x into this x we have, x right over here, upon square root of 1 minus x square dx, okay. Integration of this into this is what we have this, okay. Now in this, okay, in this, now integral of here is square root of 1 minus x square, okay. It is of the form, what we have to do, we used to substitute this x equals to what? Sine of theta, okay. Why? Because 1 minus sine square theta you will get cos theta, okay. Therefore from here you will get what is dx? You will get dx equals to differentiation of sine is what? Cos of theta into d theta. From here, okay, from here you can get what is, from here you will get sine of inverse x is what? Theta, okay. Because here, or you can say multiplying sine inverse on both sides, okay. Multiplying from, how come for here multiplying sine inverse on both sides, here you will get sine inverse x as well as sine inverse, and sine gets cancelled, you get theta, okay. And what are the other things you need? You have dx in terms of d theta, and what is x? You have in terms of sine theta. Let's substitute, okay. This part, okay, we are considering for only this part, okay, this part, okay, and this part integration is over, okay. So we will come back once again, okay. Now consider this part, okay. Now minus 2 is outside, okay. I will come back this minus 2. Integral x, what is x? X is what we have? Sine of theta, okay. Sine inverse x is what? Sine inverse x is we have into theta. What is dx? Dx is what? Cos of theta into d theta upon, okay, square root of 1 minus what is x square is sine square, okay, sine square theta is equals to integral 1 minus sine square theta is what? 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, okay, and cos square 1 minus sine square is what I am getting here, what? Cos square theta. Cos square and square root gets cancelled, so I will get here only cos theta, okay. Now this cos theta and this cos theta gets cancelled, so what I have is what? Integral theta into sine theta d theta, okay. Now again here let's apply di rule, okay, here, okay, let's apply di rule over here. Di, or you can say tabular method, okay. Now let's consider theta here in differentiation part, because theta somewhere you will get, if you differentiate d by d theta, okay, you will get somewhere 0, okay. Here we will have integration part, we have sine of theta, okay. D theta by theta is what? We have 1, okay, and the differentiation of 1 is what? You will get 0, okay. Now here you know what is the differentiation of, I like here, d by dx of sine of theta is, you have cos theta, d by dx of cos theta is what? Minus sine theta, okay. Here you can say all theta, okay. Therefore integration of sine is what? You will get minus cos of theta. Again you integrate this, cos theta is what? Integration of cos theta is minus sine theta. You will get over here sine theta, okay. After this we have plus minus plus, you have to multiply this way, okay, here this way, 0 into anything is become a 0, okay. Therefore this integral become what? This integral become, here we have minus over here but plus over here, minus theta into cos theta, we have minus theta into cos of theta, this into this, okay. Here minus minus plus, we have plus sine of theta plus some constant, okay, plus c. What is theta, okay? What is theta? Theta is sine inverse x, okay. Here minus, we have sine inverse x and cos theta, okay. What is cos theta? Cos theta is what? Square root of 1 minus x square, okay. So instead of cos theta, square root of 1 minus x square plus what is sine theta? Sine theta is what? X, okay. This is the here, okay. But what this term is what? For this integration, okay. So instead of this I can write this, okay. Instead of this I can write this. So instead of this I will remove this, all are in terms of x, okay. So therefore I will remove this part. This, okay, here we have minus sine of inverse x into square root of 1 minus x square plus x plus c is the required answer. If you want, you can solve some further. Okay. So this is same as here x into sine of inverse x the whole square. I am sending 2 inside, minus minus plus 2 sine inverse x into square root of 1 minus x square plus here plus minus 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 2x plus c, okay. This is the required answer.